Last song, praise to you, Bob Marley. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melody pure and true. This is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Now turn to your neighbor and sing it to them. Baby, don't worry about a thing now, darling. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Bobby McFerrin. Ooh, whoa, don't worry. Whoa, be happy. Up this morning, I know some of y'all know this. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true. This is my message to you, and 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 you. Point to your neighbors and go, and you, and you, and you. Come on, point to each other. It's for you, it's for you, and you, and you, and you. Ready? Baby, don't worry. Louder! Last song. About a thing. That's right. 'Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Ow! Baby, don't worry. About a thing now, darling. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry now. Be happy. Thank you. My name is Hart Sawyer. I'm going to